Well, hello and welcome back to Derek's Kawasaki Z1000 SX. The update is now, I've changed my idea of the bullet connectors. Only these two here, the black and the earth, that's in the wiring harness, as you know. These ones here. I've gone for these type of plugs, they're waterproof, much safer. It's a lot neater. If I pull back, you can see how neat it is. It all blends in. That's the indicator that goes on the fairing, and everything's working. Let's turn the ignition on, and you see the double USB charger light up blue. There you go. All perfect working order. Satnav works as well. I've tried that, and it's all on switched, so I ain't got to worry about leaving anything on. So that's the way I do it. USB accessories, auxiliary, out the wiring harness. The other one's up here. Ooh, I can't see. Just up here comes off the wiring harness. That's the plug for the lights. You see that? You see that? So, one's for the Satnav, one's for the USB charger. So any faults, just unplug, find out what's wrong. Makes life easy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and hit the bell icon for more videos. And don't forget, coming the 15th of November, the bike goes into RJS Superbike Limited to have the suspension set for me. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye for now, and thank